How to have multiple tabs opened up on Oculus Quest 2. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In this guide video, I'll show you the way on how you can actually have multiple tabs opened up on your Oculus Quest. Well, the process is very simple. First of all, turn on your Oculus Quest and you'll see this kind of interface. Now, it also really depends upon what kind of tabs you're talking about in the first place. If you're talking about whether you want to open up the browser tab in multiple tabs, or whether you're talking about whether you want to open up some windows such as App Store settings and everything in multiple windows. Well, it's very simple. First of all, let's get started with the browser. Let's say I just open up my browser over here, and then I want to open multiple tabs. You can see at the very top, you can see this little plus icon. You have one tab. Basically, let's say I just open Instagram here, and if I tap on the plus icon at the very top, and if I go ahead and select any other ones, you can basically see this is a multiple window. You can basically switch between those. If you want to permanently close this application, then you can tap on this little cross icon at the bottom left, or you can tap on this little minus icon to minimize this in our app drawer. And this is basically our app dock over here. So if I select it, you can see the same browser is going to open up. Similarly, let's say that if you want to minimize and use other applications, let's say I open this people app, for example, you can say it's opened up, but at the same time our another browser is also opened up. Now if you want to minimize this, just select this little minus icon over here. And similarly, if I go to people, you have to select this little minus icon as well, and that's just basically it. You can also go to settings, and you can also go ahead and select this minimize icon. And this is simply how you can go ahead and have multiple tabs opened up on your Oculus headset. Hopefully this video helped you, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.